Have you ever wondered how our home will look like?
Yes, all the time. It will be a home surrounded by natural beauty, where we wake up to the lullaby of rustling leaves and flowing water.
Will there be flowers?
Yes, colors will flourish all around us.
There, we can have our Sunday walks.
Not just us, but with our children.
Maybe a girl and a boy. Every day will feel like a celebration.
Time will pass, and we will age. But it remains our home,
where family
love,
and serenity
will always be beautiful, like you.